My favourite word in Irish is ceantair, which means guilty. And I really love that word just because I love the sound of it. And I think it sounds like what it means.
My favourite Irish word is Foghlaim, which is the Irish for butterfly. And the word for a festival or a party is fearr. So I think the word Foghlaim actually means a party on wings.
Sprung. It's a word that was always used at home on the farm as though it was an English word, and I never realised until I realised that nobody else I ever mentioned it to knew what it was. And it's actually an Irish word meaning a four-pronged fork.
I've lots, but I love dreimere because it just sounds nice. Dreimere. It's so unlike English, and it's one of the first words I would learn. So.
Cool. And do you have a favourite
Thanks,
for?
Grace. It's funny as well because it means ladder. So like the ABC of Irish.
My favourite word in Irish is cumulumachas, which is probably a made-up Irish word, and it means kind of devil-may-care attitude. I used to hear the teachers in school say it all the time.
I have so many favourite words, but tonight my favourite word is going to be shketamini. Because in Irish you just have so many different ways of saying things. Like in English you could say I'm excited, which is fine, but it's just a Latin word. But if you say shketamini, or it kind of means like, I don't know, it makes me think like there's something sort of bubbling away, or it's a different way of expressing feeling anyway. And all the feeling expressions are just phrased so differently.
Well, one of my favourite words is díomhain, which means idle, and I just love the sound of it. I just think it sounds like you're díomhain, you know, sitting on the grass in the sunshine, not doing much at all.